So I came into contact with Hatterland as a moderator. I've been moderating conferences around Norway in oil and gas in particular. I've worked with companies very recently who are struggling with integration of two companies and really deciding what kind of culture, which of those three cultures, maybe a different culture altogether, they need to have for the business that they're now forming, the new company. The decisions they have to make are around, well, what worked in the cultures of the companies that they are drawing from, and how does that fit with the strategy that they have going forward, and then which one do they pick, or how do they design a culture that goes forward. And if you get that why story very clear and you're able to communicate it to the organization and the employees in such a way that they see what's in it for them, that they feel the need to be on that journey with you. I think selling that story about what we're trying to solve and what we're trying to achieve and why we're doing it, that's really the silver bullet in change. Very powerful.